For those of you who are new to our channel, we actually own and operate an Airbnb in Discovery Bay, Jamaica, and we decided to go down for a trip this weekend so that we can get away from the city life and actually relax and unwind. Our Airbnb is kept clean and it's spacious and it's just so relaxing. This is Anaya making her way downstairs. My poor baby has a boo-boo because she fell yesterday at school. If you know, you know. If you have a toddler, you have to be constantly entertaining them. Okay, guys, so this is me. I'm going to make some ramen with Zenaya. Guys, Zenaya don't quite understand the meaning of vacation, like you don't wake up as early, so she's kind of because she's hungry. She just wants her food out. I bought a couple of stuff from the house, so of course we'll walk with Zenaya formula because I hear this at night still. And her nest down because I knew I was at night. And I brought some nuts first to snack on because these things are really expensive. It's like you go and buy them in single package. I walked with my own pancakes, make breakfast this morning, and just some little snack. Various little snacks that we just took from the house so that we can snack on. And we have some pancakes here because I'm making pancakes. I'm really trying to hurry up with Zenaya breakfast because this girl don't have no chill, she don't have no filter. When she's hungry, she's hungry. I'm kind of embarrassed, but I can't tell her what time it is now because I'm like, I already got mother up, I haven't got time not eat for so long. But she was fine all along, and we never had no ramen at the home, so I had to send on to buy the ramen. So that's why I take some money. So yeah. Annie is trying to entertain Zenaya while I make her breakfast. Hi guys, so all along I was sleeping on this pancakes. I used to buy the one that just add water because I'm lazy and I don't like the jazz and everything, but then I accidentally bought a bunch of these the other day, so I had to use it. So you know you have to add egg and milk to this one, but trust me, it's way better than just add water mixture. Now I'm just making the pancakes. Normally when we come to the Airbnb, we buy breakfast, but I just wanted it to be a little more like we're at home and just relax and don't have to be buying a lot of stuff on the road. Daddy is feeding Zenaya with her ramen while I cook. So guys, ideally I would have wanted a smaller pan for the pancakes, but I roasted the smaller pan here, so I have to buy it because we definitely need a small frying pot. I have adequately mixed out my mixture, so I'm just going to get my pancakes. No, this is just some me and because Zenaya, she used to eat pancakes, but she's not eating it anymore, so I'm not going to waste my time. Breakfast is almost ready. We have pancakes with some eggs and we have some grapes on the side.
Yes, guys. Shiban.
So guys, so we're here and look at Zen. Ready. Yes guys, we're twinning! Except that some people hurt because them in a matching clothes would we? That's true Zen!
This is the view of Puerto Rico Beach that's in Discover Bay. We chose this beach because it's like 5 minutes from the Airbnb, and also it have beach and pool area, so you can always switch out and go wherever you feel like based on your vibes. Zanaya, she loves the water and she loves to splash around. Her dad brought her into the pool. I didn't go in the water much because this was like 2 weeks post my surgery and I didn't want to, be in the water and cause any complications. I just stayed out. Not because I'm not swimming doesn't mean I can't show off the good stuff. So this is me in my swimsuit. Yeah, girl body look good. I must say I was a little bit disappointed with some of the service at Puerto Rico Beach. Like for instance, we were sent to this area to get our burgers and I was there probably like 10 to 15 minutes and there was no one there, nobody attending to me. It was just like really weird. I must hand it to them, the burger was really good. Fried fish for Anif and pizza for Zen. Zanaya just eating random stuff off person's plate. It was just really good. She enjoyed the food. She had a lot to eat. Anif ordered some fish. It wasn't the greatest, but it wasn't bad. The beach actually has a obstacle course, which of course I couldn't do because I'm post-op, but I've done it before. Scary but fun.
Now we're leaving, we're going home. That's the end of this.
Now we're home after a long fun-filled day and Uni finally gets to watch his football.
And for dinner, we're just having some leftover pizza from today. Okay guys, so we went to the beach and everything. Now I'm back. I comb my hair a little and put on a little makeup on my face because I went to do some vlogging. Zena is off to bed. Onif is watching football. So yeah.